We have a septic tank now. It is right below that mound of dirt, and then you see the lateral lines coming from the septic tank, and there's two, I don't know what those boxes are called, but anyway, there's two boxes there that the two lateral lines are connected to, and they extend out to the right. And you can see the other mounds of dirt out there, which is covering those. Now, those will be smoothed over, and the yard will be dressed up sometime soon, and it'll start to look normal. But that was the last big thing that we had to do besides finishing the construction piece. Now we've got water line hooked up, we've got the septic hooked up. Now all we got to do is finish our electric and our inside finish work and a final dress up on the yard, and we will be good to go.
Go around this one. Go around that boot. Go that way.
That's what keeps daddies young.